Some tips for designing a trading plan for the week. Firstly, I recommend you to study the market's risk sentiment and volatility. To do that, we of course study the fundamental picture, do fundamental analysis to understand what will be the logic of the market during the upcoming week, what would be the main market moving events, which pairs will be trading most, which pairs will be most volatile, and what economic events will be the main drivers. So if we see that most important events are, for example, from the euro area, then we will be trading the pairs containing the euro, and so on. Then we use technical analysis to determine the trends, the phases of these trends on different time frames, to develop support and resistance levels, and design our agenda for the time period which we are interested in. I choose to act during a week. And then we design the so-called suggestions for the trade. We will, for example, hold position until a certain level is hit, buy or sell if some levels for the pair are activated, and get out of the market if the price went beyond some level which we have mentioned. I also would like to share with you an important tip from my point of view. It is very important to look at the weekly Forex chart at the start of the week, probably even better during the weekend. Then there is practically no trading on Forex market, because weekly charts sometimes can give us very valuable trading signals. Firstly, I look at the candlestick patterns on the weekly chart, and they provide important hints, as candlesticks represent simple but efficient analysis tool, and it kind of represents the logic of the Forex market and allows us to maybe spot some trade signals which we otherwise would have ignored. For example, let's have a look at well, euro dollar. We'll pick the euro dollar, look at the weekly chart, and see that here maybe not a very decisive signal from the candlestick point of view during the last week, but still the pair was at the very important level of 100-week moving average. It failed to settle above this line, and in my opinion, this is a rather sizable bearish signal for the pair. Also, if we look backwards, study the chart's history, we also see that some big and distinctable candlesticks patterns on the weekly chart provide good signals, and these signals are very often reliable and give us a good idea of how to behave, of how to conduct our trade on the weekly basis. So these are the initial tips. We make trading plan for a week. It is a very good time frame. We look at the candlestick patterns at the weekend or at the start of the week for the pairs we trade, in order to spot some hints from the price itself, from price action, which may be our first part of trade ideas of how to trade during the week. So this is a very, very good trading routine.